In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a schedule in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to start from a built-in template and customize it so it fits your exact needs, whether that's work, school, or personal routines. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Sheets homepage. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in to your Google account. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see your recent files and a row of templates across the top. This is where we'll grab a ready-made schedule so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Next, click Template Gallery. Depending on your screen size, you might see a few featured templates and a button that expands the full list. Open the gallery to view all options. If you're using a work or school account, you may see an additional section with templates from your organization. Don't worry, what we need is in the standard gallery. Now, look for the Schedule template and click it. The template usually shows days of the week across the top and time slots down the left. When you select it, Google Sheets automatically creates your own copy and opens it in a new tab. This becomes your working file, saved to your Google Drive as you go, so there's no need to hit save. From here, customize it to your liking. Start by renaming the document at the top so it's easy to find later. Update the week or date range so the schedule reflects the time period you're planning. Edit the day labels if you want a different start day, and adjust time slots by typing new times or inserting and deleting rows to match your routine. If you have multi-hour tasks, merge cells to create a single block that spans the right amount of time. Make the schedule visually helpful. Change fill colors to color code categories like meetings, classes, workouts, or breaks. If you prefer consistency, set a small color legend off to the side. You can also resize columns so everything fits neatly, and freeze the top row or first column so headers stay visible as you scroll. For quick data entry, add drop-downs to certain cells with your common activities, and use conditional formatting to automatically color cells based on text, which keeps your layout consistent. When you're happy with the layout, duplicate the Sheet tab at the bottom to create a new week without rebuilding anything. That way, you can keep a clean history of your past schedules and roll forward with just a few edits each time. And that's it. Go to Google Sheets, open the template gallery, choose the schedule template, and tailor it to your workflow.